I welcome you to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create your business manager account. And in the last video, I showed you why you should boost your post. And the reason was so that Facebook is getting used to you, because business manager account is a more advanced way of running ad. So at least before you would have graduated to running an advanced advertisement, you must have boosted your post first. So Facebook expects you to boost your post first. So if you do not do that, if you go straight to creating business manager account, the algorithm sometimes will be triggered and will be like, where is this one coming from? Who is it? What business is it? So they will now ask you to verify your business. And the process for verification of business is tedious. So it's not as easy as that. So once they now ask you to verify your business, you know you would have hit a rock. So to avoid that, you first have to boost your post first, then before you now move to creating business manager account. And I believe by now you would have boosted your post, and I recommended that you boost posts with the objective of page like, so that you get more page like. Okay, at least maybe you can get up to 100 page like, you can get up to 150, 200 page like before you start running the main advertisement. Okay, now let's get to creating a business manager account. Okay, before you start creating your business manager account, make sure you are logged into your Facebook account, the account that you want to use to run that ad. That profile you want to use to run that ad, make sure you are logging. Then you also log into your email address on the same browser, preferably on the same browser. You are logged into your email address. Okay, and if those two things are taken care of, then you are good to go. You will now click on, you open a new tab. Leave the tab you are logged into Facebook account and open a new tab. Then type business.facebook.com//create and hit enter. It will come to this kind of page like this, and you simply hit create. Then you are going to give your business a name. What name do you want to give it? Let's say I will type the name here. All right, and then the email you want to use for your business, you are going to type it here. Okay, this is the email at gmail.com. This is the email we want to use, and make sure this email is an email that you can access it, because they are going to send a verification link to it that you are going to click on. Okay, once you have done that, you are going to hit submit. Okay, you can see a confirmation message here that your business has been created. Click on the link sent to your email to receive the full access to this account. All right, Now you are going to open another tab, then you go to your email box and look for that message. You can see it's in the social media, and this is it here. Then you are going to hit confirm. Okay, now the email has been confirmed. Now your business manager account is now ready. The next thing we will do is to create our ad account. Alright, so we are going to create our ad account now. To create your ad account, you go towards the left here. Towards the left hand side, you are going to see account. Then you click add. Then we are going to click on create new ad account. We are going to give it a name. What name do you want to give it? Let's biz consultant. And this is our address. We're okay with this. And our currency, we are going to leave it at dollar. Then we hit next. Then this ad account will be used for this business. Alright, then we'll click on create. Alright, then you are going to add yourself. You select it, you select yourself. Then you make sure you check all this. You are an admin, and make sure you are an admin, manager, creative hub, mockup, view performance, and the rest of them. And you are going to hit assign. And if you have created your ad account, you will also add your page. The same thing. You make sure you add that your page that you created before. If you select that page and you click on add, like this, then you see add a page, request access to a page, create new. But since you have created a page before, you simply click on add a page, and you can type the name of the page here, or go back and select the page. Let's say this is my page. I select this page, and at the top here you see the URL. Copy the URL, copy it like this, and go back to this tab. Then paste the URL here. You see it has selected it, and select it. Then hit add page, and the moment you do that, the page will be added to your business manager account, and you are good to go. Okay, let me close this for now. Okay, so I'm sure you know how to add your business page now. And if you have added your business page, let's go to our account setting. The next stage is to add your payment details. To add your payment details, you click on this icon, then go to account settings, and you will see something like this. Now, in your own case, what you will see here should be the name of the ad account you have created. And click on open payment setting. Okay, now here you are going to add your payment details. And click add payment method. here select it to Nigerian naira, and the country select it to Nigeria. Then the timing, select it to Lagos time and hit next. Okay, now this is where you are going to select your payment method, and I recommend that you select local cards. Select local card, so that what you are adding to your account is money. What you are adding to your account is money. You add the amount you want to use to run ad. Let's say you want to spend like 5,000 naira to run ad. You add that 5,000 naira to your account, and the moment that 5,000 naira finishes, your ad will stop. It is better than adding your card. The disadvantage of adding your card is that, one, when Facebook want to take their money and maybe network is bad and the payment method is not going through, the payment is not going through. I have had such experience before. They have tried to take their money, the payment is not going through, and it's not as if there is no money in the bank. There is money in my account, but the network is not good. They cannot take their money, and they try several times. The payment could not go through. The next thing is they disable the ad account. So to avoid that, I recommend that you use this. And secondly, some of the Nigerian bank misbehave. For instance, you spend like 10,000 naira in your ad, but the amount they are going to deduct will be 11,000 naira. How come about the 1,000 naira? I don't know. So to avoid that, I recommend that you use this local card. Okay, and if you select that local card, you hit next. Okay, and this one is optional. To add your VAT ID, you can skip this, and this is the amount you are going to add. So select the amount you want to add. Let's say I want to add like 2,000 naira, and click next. Okay, so you are going to select the card you want to use. Let's say I select new and click continue, and you can do all this. It's just a question of adding your name as it appear on your ATM card, then your ATM card number, the expiring date, the CVV, the security code, and if you like, you can save the card for future use and hit pay. So the moment you hit pay, it will take you to pay you interface, where you can add the money, and once you have add the money, that means you are set to start creating your ad. In the next video, I will show you how to create your first ad in your new ad account. This one is new ad account now. So how many account do you have now? You now have two. Your profile, which you used to boost your account, your ad before, is still there. Then this one is another ad account in the business manager account. So now you have two ad accounts, and the new ad you are going to run now is going, you can run it on this account, and you can run it on the previous account. All right, so in the next video, I'll show you how to run your first ad on this new add account. Thank you for watching the video, and I'm sure you enjoy watching the video. If you do, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also I will need a video testimonial from you. I will appreciate it. You can use your phone to say something about me, and I will gladly appreciate it. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.